Natific is a Swiss-based company. We started in Switzerland. Funny enough, our first customer was in the US with JCPenney. And we started, in fact, in 2008 with doing certifications for JCPenney, visiting suppliers worldwide. And it was all about proper color management, as this was, that time, still a very messy, long, very expensive, and inaccurate process. Nowadays, we streamlined that to the utmost. So, whereas a color development process used to take about 6 to 8 months, it's now you can do that within a week. Everything online. We changed the industry to digital color management, from visual to digital, and this is mainly for the brands a huge benefit, not only because of the time, but the workload that is given. Majority of our customers is in textile, obviously, a lot of sport brands. All the known sports brands are basically our customer. And brands also decide or dictate where we are going. Their suppliers, there we go. So Americans, they source a lot in China. They move a bit out now. They go to Vietnam. They go to Central America. Wherever they go, we visit the dye houses there. Not only dye houses, also vendors, sourcing offices are also certified by our company. Again, that was dictated by the first brands who not were sourcing in India. It was more China. I think at the very beginning we had 8 out of 10 suppliers in India. That has changed with companies added, brands added, that source also in India. So nowadays we visit the big dye houses like Trident and Shai and many more, Kohinoor, in India. And I think we add almost daily new customers here in India. First of all, brands that we call our customer, they want to see suppliers who are fit for color management. They know about the time load it takes if they are not fit. So this is the first reason. But the other reason is they can streamline their process internally. They save a lot of effort in color management internal without even including the brand. Something very important. I mean, it's not only about color. It's about cost. It's about efficiency. It's about speed. And nowadays, it's also about resources. With our process, we help a dye house to save a lot of energy and water by just streamlining the process and by implementing a self-approval privilege. When they are certified by us, they can decide themselves if a color is accurate and can be produced or shipped, and not have to send a sample via courier to the US waiting for approval. So that adds to the efficiency and to cost savings. It depends on a few things. First of all, you need to be, one needs to have a certain setup, so you are fit for, especially we are a color company, so we speak a lot about color. You need to be mature to develop a color and execute the color in production without any problems. So this is really problematic if you have to deal with the wrong color, you have to re-dye, and this is costly, time consuming. So you have to be sufficiently mature, trained. You have to have definitely a spectrophotometer to measure. No visual included. Visual this is not reliable at all. That has to be included. But even more important now, with some regulations about resources used, brands are looking more about who is the most efficient dyer in terms of resources, water consumption, energy consumption, carbon dioxide emission. Obviously, it comes on top also the chemicals and dye stuff needs to be safe. That's another requirement. So, how do even calculate now the resources for each dye batch? And we have tools, and there are other tools around where a dye house can use that for each batch they can easily, without a lot of effort, calculate the resources. We take that data together with the color data and we bring it to the brand's PLM system. So it's all automatic. So the brand has not to be concerned. They see the resources used by this dye house. But it starts with the dye house having this tool and use it. To be honest, we are struggling a bit with that. But we are working on it. We have on Saturday, we are invited by the Chamber of Commerce, India and Switzerland. We have an agreement, a free trade agreement. So we participate, we have connections, we are member of these organizations. We hope this helps to make our company transparent and known to brands. But this will be still tricky. We have colleagues here that are in India. They know the textile industry, the textile market. They know the dye houses. They know this Trident and others. But the connection to the brand is on a technical level. So what we need is we need to have management level and to present what we can do for them. And we are very confident that we can manage that, but it takes time. I think that goes in the direction of data management, not only color, but data. This what I mentioned, this resource data that we can not only precisely calculate, also not we do it, we have the tools enabling the industry to calculate that without a lot of effort spent. And we take that automatically and send it to the brand. And the brand don't touch the data. It goes into the PLM system and is just connected with the product. This is what they want to see. If whenever someone is ready for that, he is a candidate to become a supplier.